This is Josh with Garrett's Golf Carts. This is going to be about service on the traditional lead acid batteries. So the first thing you want to do with any kind of maintenance is be sure that this switch is in tow. This cuts off the voltage, prevents you from getting shocked. But the big thing that you want to do is check your connections, make sure there's no loose connections anywhere. This keeps your battery terminal from melting. It can get so hot, move up and down and short out, so we want to be sure all those are tight. The second and most important thing is to check your water level. These batteries have lead plates in there and they have to have distilled water at all times. So you take this off, and when you look down in there, you should see water. You want it just above. You don't want to fill it up too much, because what can happen is that water can boil out and you're going to have a lot of corrosion. You know, it'll get all over your garage floor and just be a mess. And you want to do this about every 4 to 6 weeks. You don't necessarily have to add water. You just want to be sure you check it. That should be all that you need to do with your battery maintenance. Thanks.